is Fun Times with Felicity, and today we got a lizard.
A Robo Alive by Zuru lizard.
And it actually moves by itself.
Ooh.
Let's open it. Yeah.
Open it up.
This has a squishy thing. I can't.
You can't open it. Oh, there's still more tape.
We have to put the batteries in. Squishy tail.
Squishy tail. Okay, show them it, Felicity.
Okay.
Turn it on.
Not turning on.
Whoa. Here, let's send them that way.
Okay, I need it.
The cats like it. Oh, it went under there.
Oh, I got it. Oh, I got it. Oh.
Send it over here.
No, not today. No, not today.
It says it moves at rapid speed. Its eyes reflect the light. It pauses when you tilt its head. This rubber tail feels lifelike. Felicity, try moving its head. No, tilt it up. If you tilt the head up, it stops. Alright, like, send it over here. You have to train it.
How do you train it?
You put... Oh! You see, look, you tilt its head up. See, there you go.
I'm not sure if Felicity's game enough to train it.
Alright, here. Catch it and train it.
How do you train it?
That's how you train it.
But what does it do when you train it after?
Nothing. It just stops it. Felicity's butt's hanging out.
Where's the light?
No, it reflects light. Here, let's see him run. Run, boyo. No, stop stopping him. Let him go. Let him run. Here's the race. Race.
You need to get another one of those.
Knock over the cup. No. Get him.
It's like having another child in your house. That's hilarious.
Let's open this bye. Ow.
That's all for this mess. Oh! Guys, we just got our hair out of the thing. So we're eating some popcorn to feel better and watching Dora. That's the end.
No.
Do you want to say anything to them?
Dora, the Lost City of Gold.
Dora, the Lost City of Gold. Do you like it so far?
Tell them thumbs up or thumbs down on the toy.
Yeah, do you want a thumbs up or thumbs down on the toy? Thumbs up.